So, hello. It is day 8. I am doing programming every day until I become an expert. Okay. So, firstly, let's open HackerRank. I solved some lead code problem also, but it's very hard because I don't have experience to do the DSA problem properly. So, let's open HackerRank. Okay, just wait. Okay. So yesterday we just keep the hard problem in the middle. So yes, we can also try that problem, and also we are going to solve first a medium problem. Then after we solve the medium problem, then we're going to hard problem. If we didn't solve the medium problem, then we are going to solve easy one. Okay. Okay, so let's log in. Mm, it is going to be give me access, like how many times I should give the login. No, nothing. Nothing is okay. Okay, and as we know, I'm get the yesterday I get 3 stars in the C++ language because that is I'm using in the for the DSC problem solving. So let's with begin preparation of the C++. It's taking too much time. Let's just solve. Yeah, I think it's better now. Let's check out time also. Sorry, not time. Okay, C++. Oh, I get the 4 star. I don't know. I thought it was only 3. Okay, so solve the medium problem. Exception server. Let's try to solve this. Okay, so this problem says in this challenge you are required to handle error message while working with the small computation server that performs complex calculation. It has a function that takes two large numbers as its inputs and return the numeric result. Unfortunately, there are various exceptions that may occur during execution. Complete the code with your editor so that their print appropriate errors message should uh, anything. Okay, these are my inputs. Okay, so exception 1 is a is a negative. Okay, so these are test case. These are my two inputs. First one is a is a negative, not enough space, and okay, sorry. Okay, so and the 2. Why is 2? Because 8 is a negative number, hence a is a negative throw. Since second input is large, then it is not a memory, so 2 is the server load. Okay, so it means have 2. Okay, what is in this server load? Okay, server have complex computation throws invalid. A is negative. Okay, and server dot in and test case A and B. Okay, okay. What in by server load? Server load. Server load method. Okay, it is a method. I think it's not our job to do. We just going to use mm, computation. So invalid argument std invalid argument. Okay, let's just what is the output of this code? Okay, input output exception. Okay, so static yeah, and this is I think class, so server. Yeah, I mean like we have to create a server as object and calling the s dot computes as a and b, and I think it is, let's just suppose what is going on. Okay, about call, so terminate call after throwing an instance of a what. Okay, so symbol input is this 2 minus 5 and 5. Why, what is this 5? What is this 5? What is mean by that 5? Okay, to complex is equal to, okay, so a is compute and load plus 1, then if a is less than 0 then a is negative and a is comma 0 here. Okay, so b is equal to 0, then throw 0. So we had b static get load. So I think terminate sentence called throwing an instance of std invalid argument. So std invalid argument. Okay, like in this invalid argument. Because there is no std provided by. Okay, okay, throw to report invalid arguments to function. Okay, public error. It is a public error. What do you mean by public error? This is the exception error and non-standard exception occurs in the other print exceptions. So okay, and in for each test case, print a single line containing which message is described as a problem statements about the appropriate after all messages have been printed, and locked stunt code in your editor prints and server loads. Okay, so it is an exception, so that's why it is this. I think I should write think it's exception, but we are modifying this code only. Okay, so what we are going to do, like exception. For the test case A and B. So yeah, I mean like server s dot uh, s dot compute A and B. And then it is going to semicolon. I mean like rest of it is handling this function. If a is less than 0, it is showing this error. So this invalid argument, class invalid argument provided by yesterday exception. Okay, so I use yesterday exception. Okay, and public logic error. And the real, yeah, I think so. Let's run it. No, I think it's not run, so actually it is very hard to do, me to do. A dot negative. Terminate arguments, and terminate is through an instance of that's all the easy one. Okay, so box it. I think it's very easy. Box it. Okay, so design a class. Okay, let's just okay. What is the output? I mean like for just run. So box was not declared in this scope. Yeah, so what did we okay, so box, I mean like constructor should, the class should following. Okay, so implementer. Okay, so right from this, yeah, and class box, yes, semicolon, and we write function box, sorry, please don't return nearly, so box, and also the box, and 1 and 2 and 3. So these are the all integers. Okay, so int and int, sorry, it is a wrong bracket. Okay, so should be f1. Okay, so length also, so l int l is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, and h is also 0. Now, integer based on dimensions of the box or class to be defined. Okay, and now we are going box of box, box of box. Let's done later. So get length. So what is that you should return to? Because it should 1 and 2 return to. So box length, box length. Okay, box length. Yeah, I mean like length, so int length, so return L, I mean yeah, length, and get breadth, breadth, breadth b, yeah, I mean like height, so get HIGST and return height. Calculate volume. It is also have a function name. Volume. Length into breadth. Length. Volume. Height. Okay. So it also cubic. So firstly we are going to find like length and breadth. So it is 6 and it is 4 times 6 into 4, 24. Yeah, so the output will be 24. Yeah, so volume, it is very simple also. Why is getting error? Yeah, sorry. Okay, so void calculate volume. So what does that mean? Like we have to give return what we are going to return, L into bread and into 4. Yeah, and boolean of it should be based on the condition given. Output 2 should be printed as in order. So okay, and O2, here O2 should return the condition. Let's check out. Okay, so temp box of box private with the context. Okay, box of box, so box under a box, box of box, Box of box. Box of box. Hmm. I mean, like, what is this function? Hmm. I think I should stop here. Okay, so bye.